Hey y'all, what is up? We are back with another hair install video. So we're starting this video out with me just prepping the hair before I put it on my head. The knots are already bleached. The hair was already cut into layers as well. I had the idea in my head that I wanted to kind of do curtain bangs and like full body curls, like really big curls. With a whole bunch of layers in it. So please ignore how I look. I had just washed my hair. My hair was blow dried and it was just time to style this wig before I put it on my head. Because if you are anything like me, curling hair while it's on your head is such a hassle and it's so hard for me to do. I don't know why, but it just is, okay? So I forgot to mention this hair is actually from Yolissa's Hair. So if you guys look on the screen to the right, you guys will see their website. They have so many different wigs, so many different colors, so many different textures and lengths as well, and also the style of the wig. Closures, and they also have frontals as well. So you know, it's like a one-stop shop and bundles. So you can get whatever you want on this one website. And the pricing for all of these wigs are very much affordable. And I'm not going to lie to y'all, I actually still have the wig on right now. It's been like a few days later and the hair itself is really nice and soft and it holds the curls really well. And yeah, it's just a really great wig, and I'm very happy that I did this style with this specific hair. Like I said, the curls head up really well, and I just sprayed the curls with some holding spray, and that also helped. And also pin curling your curls help as well. So now onto the install. Nothing new here. This is a really quick install. I did about 3 layers of glue after I melted down my wig cap, and I'm using the Bold Hold active glue. So like I said, 3 layers. So you do the first layer, and then once that first layer is dried clear, you go ahead and you do the second layer. And this right here is the second layer. And this right here is the third layer. Y'all, it literally takes me like 20 minutes to put my wigs on. I don't do anything crazy, but I really want to start trying different styles with my wigs instead of just doing like curls or straight. I want to do actual styles. So if y'all have any ideas, then definitely send them to me on my Instagram. But here is the wig. This is also a HD wig. So if you guys can actually see the difference between HD and a regular transparent wig, HD is a lot more, you know, like skin, and it just gives a better look of it looking 10 times more natural. So I just like to put the wig on and just press it down with my hand, add some pressure to it. And y'all, I was actually in a rush while filming this video, which is why I'm moving so fast. But like I said, it takes me no time to install my wigs. So now once that is done, I just went in and cut off the excess lace around my ears because that is not needed. And yeah, so you just want to cut that off. Be careful doing this because you might end up cutting the actual wig cap, and you don't want that. So I'm just repeating the same process on the other side. And right now we are just going to cut the rest of the lace off the entire wig. And I'm just using my little cuticle scissors because they kind of get in there and they do a good job at cutting. You just want to kind of move your hand in wiggly motion so you're not cutting straight across. If you cut straight across, then you will definitely be able to see the lace a little bit more, and you don't want that. So using those back and forth motions, like up and down, you get the best look. And voila, look at that. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. The same exact thing. And then I'm just going to go in and part out my baby hairs. So I'm just doing 2 on each side, that one, and then we're going to add our sideburn. Alright, so now that we have those placed and ready, we're going to just cut them to make them shorter because nobody's baby hairs are that long, okay? So you have to cut them, and I also like to curl them as well, y'all. That is the scariest part for me because I be ready to burn my forehead off with that small flat iron. But it helps your baby hairs lay really nice and flat, so I definitely recommend doing that. You can curl it backwards or you can curl it under. It's up to you. I do both, whatever I feel like doing. So yeah. And just a little tip, the shorter you cut your baby hairs, the more natural they will look. So I just went in with some Gorilla Snot on my edges, and we're just going to mold those baby hairs down. I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't really care about how my baby hairs looked because I knew I wanted my hair to cover my sides. The way that I wore the hair, you technically wasn't able to see my baby hairs, so I didn't really care that much about them, but we still had to make sure they were done in case the wind started blowing and people are looking at me like I'm crazy. So next we're just tying that down while I do my makeup, which I did off camera because this was not a makeup video. This was a hair install video. And I just did something really quick with my makeup as well. If you guys want to update it every day, like 5-10 minute makeup routine, then let me know. This look right here is kind of like my no makeup look. So if y'all are interested in that video, leave a comment down below. I have some new products and I've been doing my makeup very differently. So now we are just pulling out our curls. Our curls has been sitting for like a good 2 hours, so they are full of body, and the fact that we added layers in our hair just makes it 10 times more bouncy with a whole bunch of volume. Woo, look at that. Okay. So now I'm just going in with some more holding spray just to keep those curls intact. And then we're just going to comb through our curls. I am being so rough with my own head. It's because I was in a rush, like I said. But, yeah, that's pretty much it for the hair, y'all. Comb it out. Add some more layers into it where you feel like you need to. And that's about it. I just went in to fix up my part because although it was falling in front of our face, we still needed to make sure that see? Just burnt my forehead. We still needed to make sure that, the part is straight and that it looks really good still. So I did go in and add more layers on both sides, even after showing you guys this part. I just wanted it to fall the way I wanted it to. And I'm not going to lie to y'all, I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I got a lot of compliments on it. And yes, everything just turned out amazing. Amazing. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I had to switch my cameras because, well, it died and it ran out of storage, but this camera had storage on it. So this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. The curtain bangs came out really cute and I'm obsessed. Okay, so yeah. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this exact wig, then just check the description box down below. You guys will see a direct link to this wig. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.